Kalimera. Are you learning Greek? I'm Anna, and I'm here to help. So today let's talk about the very fundamental verb of Greek language, which is to be. It's totally like in English, so we use this verb to indicate that something exists. So I am, you are, etc. I'm good, I'm here, I'm fine, I'm a teacher. To create all these sentences, we need the verb to be. Same in Greek. So the verb to be is ime. Grammar-wise, when we talk about the verbs, we mostly use first, second, and third person in singular and plural. So normally we first say I, and then you, and then he, she, it. Then we go to plural forms and we use we, you in plural, and they, right? So let's check together today all these forms in Greek. So we start with me. So the pronoun is εγώ. That's why we have alter ego, egoism, etc. Egoismos in Greek. So εγώ is I. It is a personal pronoun in nominative, and the verb is είμαι. Together, they sound like εγώ είμαι. So I am. Εγώ είμαι εδώ. I am here. Or εγώ είμαι καλά. I am good. In Greek language, we mostly don't use this personal pronoun, so we mostly use in neutral sentence είμαι καλά or είμαι εδώ. We will practice and you will see what I mean. But so far we need both of them, just in case we want to emphasize that I am fine. So we say εγώ and είμαι. Second person, you in singular, informal you. We say the personal pronoun is εσύ and the verb is είσαι. Εσύ είσαι. And we can say εσύ είσαι εδώ, you're here. Or εσύ είσαι καλά. You're good, you're fine. Is it clear so far? I hope it is. Let's go to the third person. So totally like in English, we have he, she, and it. So masculine, feminine, and neutral. So for he, we use the pronoun αυτός. For she, αυτή. And for it, αυτό. So αυτός, αυτή, αυτό. But thank God, the verb is the same. So we say αυτός είναι, αυτή είναι, αυτό είναι. So he is, she is, and it is. So we finish with the singular. Let's go to plural. First person is we. So in Greek it would be εμείς, the pronoun, and είμαστε, the verb. Εμείς είμαστε. Εμείς είμαστε. And again, we can use both in a sentence. Εμείς είμαστε εδώ. Εμείς είμαστε καλά. Etc. So second person is you in plural. So we use it in formal cases when we want to address to one person and being very polite to him, we will say you in plural, or when we talk to a group of people, so it will be also you in plural. So it sounds in Greek like εσείς είστε. Εσείς είστε. Again, we can say εσείς είστε εδώ, εσείς είστε καλά, etc. and so on. The third person. Here I have a surprise for you. With the third person in Greek, instead of one pronoun, they, we have three pronouns. So one for masculine, one for feminine, and one for neutral. So in Greek, when you say they, you already understand if you refer to men or women or kids. Kids are neutral, by the way, yes. So this is the case. So αυτοί is they in masculine, αυτές, they in feminine, and αυτά, they in neutral. Wow, nice. But the verb is είναι for all of these forms. So αυτοί είναι, αυτές είναι, αυτά είναι. In normal neutral sentence in Greek language, we don't necessarily use the personal pronoun. It's not like in English. Don't actually say I am fine. We say am fine. And it is enough. So είμαι καλά instead of εγώ είμαι καλά is totally fine and good, and it's like normal neutral sentence. If you want to put an emphasis that I'm good and I don't care about you guys, then you will say εγώ είμαι καλά. But if you don't have this kind of like exaggerating context, normally είμαι is enough. So let's try and practice conjugating this verb, first without pronouns and then with the pronouns. So let's say that I'm good, and let's say that everybody's good. We want everyone to be good. So let's use it like that. Είμαι καλά, είσαι καλά, είναι καλά, είμαστε καλά, είστε καλά, είναι καλά. Right? Is it clear? So I'm fine, you're fine, they're good, he's good, she's good, etc. So let's try to say that I'm here. We said that here is εδώ. Εδώ. So είμαι εδώ, είσαι εδώ, είναι εδώ, είμαστε εδώ, είστε εδώ, είναι εδώ. Right? Okay, good. And let's try to do the same, but with the personal pronouns. So you just see how we use them together, if needed. But mostly we don't use it. So we can say, I'm there. Huh? So we had εδώ, it's here, and εκεί is there. So we will say, εγώ είμαι εκεί. I am there. Εσύ είσαι εκεί. You're there. Αυτός είναι εκεί. He is there. Αυτή είναι εκεί. She is there. Αυτό είναι εκεί. It is there. So this it we can use when we talk about objects, about animals, and about kids. So don't be surprised. Kids in Greek, they're all neutral. So it is to παιδί. So αυτό είναι εκεί. Plural. Εμείς είμαστε εκεί. You, second person. Εσείς είστε εκεί. You're there. And they are there. So we have again three forms. So αυτοί είναι εκεί. They are in masculine there. Αυτές είναι εκεί. All the girls are there. And αυτά είναι εκεί. The objects or animals or kids are there. Is it clear? So in the next video, let's talk about a little bit the genders. So see you in the next videos. Take care. Να προσέχεις. Γεια. Ευχαριστώ.